I don't know the hotel, but we're at Virginia Beach right now.
And this is our mini vacation before he leaves.
Yeah. I mean, you leave too.
Yeah, I go home. But I'll be in Baltimore the rest of the summer. So it's a pretty nice hotel. Like these are the beds, and we have our own balcony too.
Which I like to see the balcony.
And there's like a nice little walkway for pedestrians. And there's the beach. It's our first vacay together. I'm excited. So we gotta figure out, this is the first day. We just got here like 10 minutes ago. And so we gotta figure out what we wanna do.
Yeah. So we're gonna figure some stuff out and we'll continue the vlog later. Alright, peace out.
Hey guys, so we decided to go to the aquarium. Hey guys, we're underwater right now. As you can see. Put your face in this.
How much you need?
Where's Drew? Oh my gosh, you're so brave. I'll help you. I'll save you. Ow! Ow, no. Oh no, don't do that.
She come with me. You dying with me.
Oh, I guess that's it. We made a circle. Right now we can see the otters.
Took a long, nice walk through nature, forest, or wildlife to get here.
And it was really cool that they had a ropes course too. I love how like you would go walk right through the ropes course. Because they probably want you to
Oh yeah, to get
go
you
like to do it.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the ropes course we're talking about, and look at all of this. Here's holding my purse, yes.
All right.
Of course, Drew doesn't follow the rules.
I don't know why she's saying that. Follow rules, but like obviously if it's a place where you go around and do this stuff, it can't be that dangerous. You know what I'm saying?
Hey guys, come
It's
here,
women.
come here. Look at this sign.
That wasn't meant for me. Dig what I'm saying? Okay, so.
I love how everything's in the air. So they're helping the forest by not being on the ground. They're it was funnier in my head. It was funnier in my head. Okay.
Ray-Bans. Ray-Bans.
Okay.
Ray-Bans.
Maybe you shouldn't be holding the camera. Ow.
What are we doing?
For a snack. Drew, what
What are we doing for a snack?
Let's go
to
an and expensive restaurant.
She a model. She a model. Naomi walk. Okay. Let me run after her. Look at my shadow. I'm a big boy. I'm pretty sure everybody else thinks I'm weird because I'm like holding the camera all day.
There it is. My sister and I, guys, we used to catch Liz.
You almost stepped right on top of that.
What is it?
I don't know. Let's check the time.
It is.
It's dinner time. Oh, lunchtime.
My favorite part is editing these videos.
Alright, I'll let you edit on my computer if you have time tonight.
Oh, did you bring your computer?
Yeah, I always bring my computer.
Yes.
Never don't. That's why I was like, well, I don't know why you don't bring your computer places.
Because I don't need it.
Well,
okay, guys.
You always
guys,
need it,
let's talk about that.
Because
Let's
like, look
talk
at
about
Vlada,
that.
you just called
Who
Vlada.
brings their like? Well, like if you're not gonna use your computer, like if you really don't need it, do you bring it to like wherever you're going if you're traveling?
Free Wi-Fi, free anything. Why wouldn't you bring it? Comfort. Who left a drink
Oh
in
my
the car?
gosh.
Are you still recording?
Yes, I'm
Shut
still
up.
recording. Guys, who left this water bottle in my car? What are we gonna do with it?
We're gonna put it down.
Right now we're gonna get a snack, a small snack to eat, and then go out for dinner later. I don't know. We gotta figure out what's nearby. So we'll see you guys soon.
Either Subway or McDonald's, cause like I can like get something cheap from McDonald's and then we go out to eat, spend a little more money.
Yeah. Let's
'Cause,
just
like,
see what's nearby.
if I get a foot long.
We're finally back at the hotel.
After the aquarium, we came home.
No, we got McDonald's.
Yeah, we got
Some McDonald's. It was my first time having a cheeseburger at McDonald's.
We took like a little nap.
Yeah, and then figured out where we were gonna go to dinner.
Yeah, we just went somewhere across the street, and then we planned. Then we went to Ben and Jerry's, and then we were like, okay, so we can walk to Ben and Jerry's to the carnival.
On Google Maps, it said the amusement park closed at midnight. Got there at 9, and they were closing.
They were closed.
So.
But we got free cotton candy, but we don't eat cotton candy.
The thing is, I thought he wanted cotton candy, and he thought I wanted cotton candy, and we both don't like cotton candy.
Let us know what y'all think. Yeah, but good night. Thanks. Subscribe.
Good night.
We love y'all.
He
we
just
love
spat
y'all.
on
Give us a kiss. That'll work. Peace.
Subscribe, like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.